If you're new here, welcome to DVC Rental Store. This video series is meant to help explain our process for renting DVC points. With DVC Rental Store, anyone can stay at a deluxe Disney Vacation Club property like Disney's Polynesian, Disney's Grand Floridian, Animal Kingdom Lodge, and many more for up to 65% Disney Direct prices. Today we're going to touch on confirmed reservations. While our standard process for booking allows you to request a custom reservation at your preferred Disney Vacation Club resort, sometimes you want a faster, more convenient option, especially for short notice vacations or change in plans. That's where confirmed reservations come in. If you haven't already seen our other videos explaining our process step by step, click the link in the top right to check them out. Confirmed reservations are pre-booked stays that have already been secured by a DVC member. These reservations are just waiting for a guest like you to book them. This means two things. First, the reservation is already secured, so there's no need to worry about availability. Second, you can choose from a variety of resorts, room types, and travel dates depending on what stays have been listed on our website. Booking a confirmed reservation with DVC Rental Store is simple. Starting on our website, head to Guests and then Browse Reservations. Here, you can browse our selection of currently available reservations, which are updated regularly. Once you find a reservation that matches your travel dates, resort preference, and budget, you simply hit Request Now, choosing either our standard booking, which comes with our stress-free cancellation policy in yellow, or opting for our cashback protection policy shown in blue. Review the details, hit Next, and complete the reservation form. You'll be asked to submit your details, including your name, contact information, and the names of those traveling with you. Since this is a confirmed booking, we require a 25% upfront payment, with the remaining 75% due 75 days before check-in. If you're requesting a confirmed reservation within the 75 days before check-in, a full payment is due at the time you book. Once your payment is processed, we'll work with the DVC member to transfer the reservation to your name. Then our team will reach out with that Disney reservation number, which you can link to your My Disney Experience app. So, what makes confirmed reservations different and convenient? With quicker booking, there's no waiting for availability checks. The reservation is already ready to go. There's no deposit required. Instead, you pay the 25% towards your total upfront to secure the reservation. The price is fixed and won't change, so you can be confident what your accommodations will cost. Although our standard booking process is suggested for most families due to the customization and option to request your desired resort, room type, and travel dates, there are a few reasons why you might prefer a confirmed reservation over a standard booking. First is for last-minute trips. Whether you're planning a spontaneous vacation or adding a day or two to your current itinerary, confirmed reservations are perfect for travelers looking to book a Disney stay without uncertainty of availability. Next is to secure a hard-to-find reservation, like a Grand Floridian studio or a Polynesian bungalow. Since these reservations are secured, you may be able to score a hard-to-get room type that a DVC member booked in advance and isn't able to make. Finally is the peace of mind. You know these reservations are secure, so you know exactly how much you're saving by renting DVC points. Now, let's take a look at a real example. This is a 6-night stay at Disney's Polynesian Villas in a deluxe studio with resort view, February 9th through 15th in 2026. This stay booked directly on Disney's website comes out to $5,665 or $944 per night. Booking with DVC Rental Store, this confirmed reservation is asking $3,402 or $567 per night. That's 40% savings by renting DVC points. And since this is a confirmed reservation, you can secure that stay right away with confidence knowing that your savings are locked in and availability is guaranteed. You may wonder how pricing is set for confirmed reservations. It's based on several factors. High demand times like holidays and summer may be more expensive. Popular resorts like Disney's Polynesian Villas or Bay Lake Tower may show higher rates. And finally, last-minute deals may offer substantial discounts for those looking to travel on short notice. All told, the final decision on pricing is set by the DVC member who's selling that reservation. Now that you've booked your confirmed reservation, how does our cancellation policy work? All of our confirmed reservations include our stress-free cancellation policy, which provides credit for future use with DVC Rental Store should you need to cancel. Of course, you have the option to upgrade to our cashback protection policy for an additional fee, which allows you to receive a cash refund based on our cancellation schedule, which is pictured on screen. Finally, let's address some frequently asked questions. Can I make changes to a confirmed reservation? In short, no. Confirmed reservations are pre-booked and secured by a DVC member, which means they can't be modified, including changing dates or room types. However, as mentioned, you still have the flexibility of our cancellation policies with every confirmed reservation. What if I find a different confirmed reservation that I prefer after booking one? You're welcome to book multiple confirmed reservations. Should you want to replace the reservation you already booked, you would need to cancel in accordance with our cancellation policy if you no longer intend to use it, since the terms of each reservation are separate. Can I add the Disney dining plan to a confirmed reservation? Yes, you can. If you want to add the Disney dining plan, simply submit your dining plan request from your guest portal, and our team will assist you once your request is received. So that's how confirmed reservations work with DVC Rental Store. We can't wait to help you save on a deluxe Disney resort stay. Subscribe and hit the bell to get notified as we update this video playlist with more step-by-step guides that make the DVC rental process simple. And as always, thanks for watching.